Oh,
you know she watches these videos too.
Oh!
Alright, dude, you ready to get naked? Oh, I need to dump you with ice.
Real quick.
Alright.
What was that lie?
Let me think for a second. Oh. Can't say that.
What?
Have you ever done anything sexual in public?
Yes.
Wow!
When he when he grabbed me by the shoulders, I went. My boxers have snowmen on them.
So I was like,
Ooh.
Like I didn't want to say.
I'm facing away, it's just my butt cheeks, dude. I am naked and afraid.
Oh God, what is that? What is that?
Oh, shit. Oh, my pee-pee went bye-bye for the winter. Leaving you. Shut the f up. Turn off Rick and Morty right now. All right, Samuel. Yes, I have multiple times. Right? I did it. That's crazy. Mom. Oh, Mom. Oh, God. Mom, please click out the video right now.
All right.
All right, you piece of garbage. Is
A one-night stand, like all the way.
yes, yes, no, no, yes, yes. Yes, I have had a one-night stand all the way into her booty hole. Just kidding, Mom. Okay. Dude, my grandma watches my video. Like, you want inches, or you want like scale from like,
well, like
small, average, humongous. I don't know if I can say this, dude. It'd be too big for the camera, bro. How many times have you whacked it in one day? Have you beat your meat, wrestled your weasel, jacked your hammer?
If you had to go gay for a YouTuber, who would it be?
My daddy, Brennan. Dude.
Really? You would go gay for Brennan?
I would go gay for Brennan.
Okay. Well, I'm a little uncomfortable now.
Hey, Brennan. Alright, you piece of garbage. If you're gonna go there with me, who was the last girl that you made out with, and what is her freaking name and social security number?
What?
Wait, what's this mean now? If I get one wrong, I'm naked?
Yeah, it's whoever loses next.
Wait, why did Corey come if these, like, what? You don't want to break your back and you came here?
You're right, dude. Let's go break my back.
Oh, that's so scary. Oh, almost died. Corey, open your eyes. Are you okay?
Colby, I have to tell you something.
What?
I don't want to be here anymore.
Okay, let's go home. Oh!
Yeah!
That hurt my buttocks.
You heard your...
Oh, Ow.
Colby, were you a cheerleader at some point?
I was.
You were?
I was.
Yeah.
Smack my leg against this, and somehow it cut in the middle of my shin. I'm not really sure how that happened.
It could have busted open because you hit it.
Yeah, it might have. I'm not a physician, but it might have happened when your shin hit the wall.
Hit the wall.
See, I didn't think about that before, so like.
Yeah, that's why I'm the why I'm the physician.
Yeah, he's a magician.
Oh.
Don't be scared. It's okay. It's okay.
Dude, that
was so
ridiculous.
What was that? Was that graceful?
Stuff away, please.
Yeah.
Yes, no problem.
Attitude problem, okay? I'll clean it up when I want to.
Colby. Say that to her face. Go walk up to her.
Kind of like.
No, I'm too scared. That's a weird looking dog.
I'm gonna surf that tonight.
Oh! Oh!
Oh my god!
That got me on the top of the head.
What did you just do? Oh my god!
Hey, are you guys laughing? I can't really hear anything right now.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Hey, oh, dude, you're red. Yo,
Yeah.
look at the spot.
It got me right in the ear. Do you see that?
See what?
This right here? What's that say?
Dodgeball is an attraction associated with
no,
impact.
right here.
What? Oh, no shots to the head. No malicious behavior.
Yeah, screw you, Elton. Oh god. Call it the take your pants off shot.
The what? Why would you call it that? Wait, where was the shot?
Oh yeah. Hey!
Having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Yeah.
I love that you went for the advanced move and you got really uncoordinated. You went yeah, and then you like kind of buckled. 4:30 in the morning. I'm a little tired. All right, you guys just wanna, grab our stuff and head home.
Yeah.
Let's stay the night.
Let's stay the night.
I don't care.
Are you gonna stay the night?
Are you gonna save the night, bitch?
Colby, you better get a strike. Oh my God. What? What did that happen? What did you were 4 feet? You missed.
It's so slippery. It's so slippery.
Colby, what are you doing? Colby, you're gonna get your head chopped off. Colby, you're gonna get your head. Oh my God. Colby, you're gonna get your head chopped off. Colby, it's Colby. You dumbass!
I almost died. My life flashed before my eyes.
Oh my God. What did you think was gonna happen?
I thought I could go down there.
You had to turn the machine off.
I didn't know it was an automatic thing. I thought the pins had to fall down before that happened.
Actually,
Yo, it got my arm good.
Ooh.
I'm serious, dude. I have a big scratch on my arm. It hit the back of my head, bro. I almost died.
Okay, you didn't almost die. Let's calm down.
Guys, I'm just bringing the party to life.
And on lane 9, it is Ashley's birthday. Can everyone say happy birthday to Ashley?
Happy birthday, Ashley! Oh! Oh God! No! Colby, get out of there! Colby, get out of there! Oh God!
I wouldn't trust that.
You want to sit in his lap?
Sure.
Okay.
I don't like this idea anymore.
Stand up the whole way.
Oh my God. Colby, I love you. Go hit the chair, please.
What?
Thank you.
Hug it out. Hug it out. Hug it out.
That was scary, dude. Holy crap.
Colby, what about you? Where else would you want to do it?
A McDonald's play place.
Overnight?
Even though McDonald's, dude, have the...
And the drinking age is 20 here.
Oh, it's 20? It's 20? Oh.
I got alcohol.
I got a chaser, and I got Colby here. Anyways, Colby is never drinking on video, but we're in Japan right now.
On video, you just threw me under the bus.
Oh shit, my bad. Let me rewind. First time, how do you feel, bro?
I'm a little nervous. That's all I'm gonna say.
Cue a bunch of clips of Colby drinking illegally.
In your face, Mom.
Yeah, Mom.
I'm drunk, bro. I'm gonna die. This is my first time drinking. Give me those.
Wait, what's
digits,
these movements? But I don't like these movements. She's a You like that?
Damn, bro.
Okay, calm down.
No, that's another lip bite, bro. That was another lip bite. Are you f***ing kidding me?
What are the odds?
Bite
Two
your
in a
lip,
row.
Jacob. Bite your
Please
lip.
don't. Bite your lip. I swear to f***ing God, homie. Bite your lip.
Bite your lip, Jacob.
Bite your f***ing lip.
Jacob, we freaking react on your musically every other drink. Every time you bite your lip. Wait, no. He's a nice guy, but fuck you, Jacob. The Sartorosaurus. I got something left. Never mind.
You're f***ing sick.
I thought you loved me, bro. Better smash this like button.
Smash it! Smash it!
Take it, put it to the ground and just smash the kind of the like button, dude.
He's not gonna steal an 07 Corolla.
Excuse me?
Do you think he's gonna steal?
That's a beautiful car.
No, I'm not saying it's. Wow, Colorado Street Bridge. How beautiful.
Hey guys, it's the coolest view I've ever seen in my life. I was talking about you.
That's what makes you beautiful.
Makes you beautiful.
Run! No, don't run.
Why would you run?
Because you said run!
Well, I thought he was charging us. I got scared.
Chased out by coyotes? Felt like somebody was like, last number. You wanna go down this way?
That is rhetorical, Colby. Everyone go. Got him.
Look how close I was!
Let me see.
Look how close
Oh my God.
I was!
It actually is just straight.
Dude, that doesn't look like water.
That looks like it's frozen.
Yeah. How did we do that?
I know.
He didn't care. He was just like, yeah, throw me $200 and I'm gonna.
I know. What do you guys want to do first? Because
That one! Oh, please help me! Okay.
Hey, did anyone else hear Satan come out of Amanda during that roller coaster?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay.
I'm a little scared. I don't like that.
Grab your sack. No, not that one.
Okay.
Damn it, Colby.
Yeah! Wait, where? Okay, give me a second. Let me just try to hit one. No. Oh!
Let's go.
Alright, bro.
Let's see what you got, Corey.
Hey, could you just include the last one where I hit it?
Okay.
Okay.
Not the other 82 times?
Yeah, don't. God! Oh my God! Yeah! You ran into me twice!
Oh yes, I've never been so happy. Oh God! Look out there, Elton. I'm face towards us.
Yeah, why is he looking towards us?
Yeah, dude.
Oh!
Oh! Elton, out!
Elton,
Elton,
please.
out! Elton! Yo, open the door! He's gonna throw us, guys! He's gonna throw us! He's gonna throw us! Oh my God! He was gonna throw up on you! Run, Colby, run!
Oh, the cool Uncle Elton!
Celebration Station!
Oh. Yeah.
Perfect ice I've ever seen.
What?
Get the perfect score. No, get 100. You gotta get 100.
I can't reach it, Elton. Why do I get the caboose?
Alright guys,
How is this working?
Got this. Oh my God! I can't throw that hard anymore, Elton. It hurts.
You guys done?
trying to figure out how to get down. I'll roll so it looks cooler.
Okay, go ahead.
All right.
Whoa! You slammed your head into the ground!
I didn't hit my head.
Yes, you did! I have it on video evidence! Instead of doing a roll, he just face planted and then did like a shoulder push-up.
It looked cool. And that's what matters.
Oh, Colby's going. Oh, Colby just took off.
It's impossible.
Oh, Colby, you're seriously in there?
Oh my god.
Where is it?
Oh my god, you're trying to find the board?
It's gotta be like anywhere right there.
Corey. What? I found the board. Yeah, look at. He's in this murky ass water.
Where is it?
Look. I found it on my way down. Don't. It like flipped over the edge.
Yo, keep looking like right
It's gotta be in here, dude. It's gotta be in here.
Like straight, like walk straight towards me.
Here, give him the golf club. Give him the golf club.
Here, dude, do you want the golf club?
Yeah.
Here. You want the golf club?
Wait, is that the board right there? Is that the board right there? Is that the one he wrote down?
Yep.
And I'm just, you know my toes are gonna like get chlamydia now, right?
What?
I know.
Oh my god.
God damn it. Do I have to do that?
Yeah, you gotta do it too. Do it.
Hey guys, what's up? Colby Brock here!
Blow it harder. Blow it harder.
Dish your f***ing down.
Definitely need more water, man.
Did you pour out all my Orbeez?
Oh, look at this. Does this remind you guys of Kansas at all? You two together blowing in an alley?
Let me tell you. He's gonna look so pretty.
Oh, yeah! Hey, what's up?
Thank you, plane. Thank you. No, go for it. This is the slowest plane I've ever experienced in my entire life.
Oh, fuck.
Did somebody say phenomenal burger?
Give me something.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up everywhere. I want it.